Hi, my name is Alexis Marcus, and I'm part of the MIT Sloan School of Management Admissions Committee. One component of your application is the organizational chart. The organizational chart is intended to serve as a visual representation of the internal structure of your department and company, which helps the admissions committee better understand your role. Within the 2-page limitation, we should be able to clearly see your line of reporting and easily find you, your peers, your supervisor, their peers, in any direct reports that you might have. You may also want to identify any recommenders or references that fall within your organizational chart. We also recognize that each company is unique, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach to this requirement. I'd like to share some of my best tips and practices when you're creating your own organizational chart. First, we're not looking for the generic company organizational chart that can be procured on the website. We really want to see where you fall within your division or department and how that falls within the entire company. Some company structures might be classified or confidential, and that's okay. In this case, please feel free to redact names or job titles so that we can see your direct line of reporting and where you fall within the structure of the company. If you're an entrepreneur or a contractor, I would recommend putting yourself in the center of the document and branching out from there and telling us who you interact with on a daily basis. Think about clients, board of directors, investors, anyone that you are working with, we want to see. If you work in consulting, I recommend that your organizational chart show us a recent project rather than the overall consulting firm. The organizational chart is a great place to show us if you've progressed in your company over time. If you have the opportunity, I would definitely encourage you to show us roles that you've held in the past and show us the roles that you hold currently. Lastly, I encourage you to check out the FAQs on our website, which has some great resources, including sample organizational charts and information on each component of our application. At the end of the day, the point of the organizational chart is really to give us a better understanding of who you are as an applicant and the role that you play within your organization. The organizational chart is not intended to be a count up of your direct reports, and I can assure you that we are not using it for that. We really are excited to learn a little bit more about your role and consider you for admission to MIT Sloan.